Welcome to Compare to Win. The best book dividers is probably one of the most surprisingly essential tools for any avid reader, student, or professional who frequently navigates through texts, offering a simple yet incredibly effective way to keep your place, organize complex notes, or quickly reference important sections without damaging your precious pages, making the seemingly mundane task of finding information a seamless and enjoyable experience that truly enhances your reading and studying habits. Number 5. Mr. Penn's Spanish Bible Tabs Boho. Make your Bible study more organized and inspiring with this set. It features 75 tabs, including Old and New Testament books, plus blanks, spread across 5 sheets. These tabs add a stylish touch to any Bible with their unique boho colors. They boast a durable, tear-proof, and long-lasting design, complete with an elegant matte finish. Applying them has never been easier, thanks to the provided alignment guide. These pre-cut tabs are designed for quick and easy folding, ensuring your convenience. Featuring a large, clear font and bright printing, they offer a convenient organizational tool. They are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their Bible study or journaling experience. This set makes an excellent present for your friends and family. Whether for daily readings or as a thoughtful gift, it will surely leave everyone feeling inspired. What we like? These Bible tabs offer a unique boho theme and come with an easy-to-use alignment guide for perfect placement. Their durable, tear-proof design ensures they'll last through countless study sessions. If you are looking for a stylish and practical way to organize your Spanish Bible, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Lutron Pico Remote for Caseta Dimmer PJ2-3BRL, WH-L01R. Introducing the Lutron Pico Remote, designed for seamless control of your Caseta smart dimmers. It allows you to manage your lighting with incredible ease. With its intuitive 3-button design, you can effortlessly turn lights on or off. Plus, it gives you the power to brighten and darken them to your desired level. This remote also features a preset button, allowing you to recall your favorite lighting scene instantly. Achieve the perfect ambience with a single touch. Whether you prefer it on a tabletop or mounted on the wall, this versatile remote adapts to your space. Its compact design blends seamlessly into any decor. No need to get up, adjust your lights from anywhere in the room. This convenient device puts lighting control right at your fingertips. Enjoy peace of mind with an impressive 10-year battery life, with the battery included. You won't have to worry about frequent replacements. It controls Lutron Caseta dimmers and plug-in lamp dimmers, which are sold separately. Coordinating accessories like pedestals and wall plates are also available to complete your setup. What we like? This remote provides convenient wireless control for your smart dimmer switches, allowing you to adjust lights from anywhere. With its impressive 10-year battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. If you want effortless control over your smart lighting system without needing your phone, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. Number 3. Acrylic Closet Shelf Dividers, 6-pack. Transform your cluttered closets into perfectly organized spaces. These dividers help you clearly see and access everything, bringing order to your daily life. Please note, they are not suitable for wire shelves. Made from premium acrylic, they are stronger, clearer, and lighter than glass or wood. Their smooth design ensures no scratches to your shelves. Installation is a breeze, just slide them onto your shelves. No tools or hardware are needed, and you can easily adjust their placement anytime. Each divider is 8 inches high and 12 inches wide. They are designed to fit shelves up to 0.75 inches thick for optimal performance. Use them to organize clothes, towels, shoes, bags, and books. They're also perfect for segmenting kitchen cabinets into functional zones. These clear separators help you make the most of every shelf. Enjoy a tidy and efficient home with their intuitive design. What we like? These clear acrylic shelf dividers offer an intuitive way to organize your closet, making items visible and accessible. They are incredibly easy to install, simply sliding onto your shelves without any tools. If you are looking to neatly separate clothes, bags, or books on wood shelves, these dividers provide a clean and simple solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. unable to select top points as the source is empty. Number 2. CraftSaints Recipe Binder Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to organize your culinary creations. It includes a sturdy binder, protective sleeves, recipe pages, and customizable dividers. Its clear plastic sheets shield your precious recipes from spills and wear, ensuring they stay pristine. You can easily read them without worry, even during messy cooking. With its smart tab dividers, you'll quickly locate any recipe category. This means less time searching and more time enjoying your passion for cooking. Crafted with a laminated cover and thick cardboard dividers, it's designed for longevity. Its robust construction ensures it can be a cherished family heirloom for years to come. This binder is perfectly sized to hold up to 300 pages, keeping all your favorite dishes in one accessible place. It even features a handy conversion chart inside for quick reference. Easily gather recipes from any source, magazines, online, or your own handwritten notes. Organize them beautifully and pass this invaluable collection down through your family. What we like. This all-in-one recipe binder kit provides everything you need to create your personalized cookbook, including pages, protectors, and dividers. Its large capacity can store up to 300 recipes, keeping all your culinary inspirations in one durable place. If you like to gather recipes from various sources and want a comprehensive, organized system, this binder is ideal for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract specific points due to empty source data. Number 1. WEMATE Recipe Book. This recipe book features a convenient 8-ring binder design. It allows for easy writing, page removal, and reorganization, making it simple to customize and update your collection with ease. Its durable waterproof plastic cover resists stains and spills, keeping your cherished recipes clean. A secure elastic closure ensures all pages stay organized and prevents them from falling out, providing long-lasting durability. It includes 8 vibrant divider pages and index stickers for effortless recipe organization. Each divider also has a built-in pocket, perfect for storing recipe cards, clippings, and notes for quick access. This blank cookbook offers well-organized sections and generous writing space on high-quality 100 GSM pages. This thoughtful layout prevents ink bleeding, ensuring your recipes remain neat and legible. This comprehensive recipe binder set comes complete with a gift box, a conversion chart, and various stickers. It's an ideal present for any cook in your life, perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or weddings. What we like. This recipe book features a unique 8-ring binder design for easy page customization and a durable waterproof cover to protect your culinary creations. It comes with vibrant pocket dividers and a thoughtful gift box, making it perfect for gifting. If you are looking for a flexible, spill-resistant recipe journal with ample writing space and a beautiful presentation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews found in the source to extract points from. No reviews found in the source to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.